Good day, grade 12 students. Welcome to another topic in Practical Research 2. Our topic for today is about the search title. What are the basic guidelines in making a research title? A research study title is the very first thing a reader comes across when searching for scientific literature. It is a concise description of the content of the research study containing the fewest possible words, yet adequate to describe the contents of the paper for a simple reason that we do not want to mislead the readers. After conceptualizing a most probable research topic, drafting the title early in the research process helps in keeping your focus on the subject. The following are the basic guidelines in making a research title. Number one, use an accurate description of the subject and scope of the study instead of using general terms. Number two, do not use abbreviations except for commonly known ones like DNA and ICT. Number three, do not include words like the study of, analysis of, an investigation of, or similar, because this construction would only lengthen the title. Number four, include the main dependent and independent variables. Number five, be mindful of the proper use of grammar and punctuation. Number six, capitalize all nouns, pronouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, as well as the first letter of the first and last words. Number seven, state in a declarative form, although you may also see titles in a question form from time to time. Number eight, the year the study has been conducted should not be indicated unless it is a historical study. Number nine, use current terminology. Number 10, depending on the institutional requirements, 5 to 15 words are sufficient to describe the research study. Number 11, use the common name instead of chemical formula. Example, ammonium instead of NH4. Number 12, write and italicize full scientific names. Number 13, make sure to reflect the tone of the paper. An academic research paper has a title which is not casual or informal or does not contain humor. Next, the following steps can guide you in writing your research title. Number one, determine what is that you wish to accomplish or know from your study. Write one or two sentences to state the main objective of your research project. Number two, include important keywords and variables. Revise the sentences into one complete sentence that includes important keywords and variables of the study. Number three, shorten the title by eliminating unnecessary words. You may also shrink a phrase into a simpler phrase or a single word. In doing this, make sure that the main thought of the research study is retained. Number four, correct grammar and punctuation errors if there is any. Number five, remember to observe proper formatting. The format may vary according to the requirements of the course or school. Please seek guidance from your professor. That's all for today, and thank you very much.